Fit check. My lovely tabbies. Oops. Let's go. I came for a hot girl walk and I'm hoping to be able to tick off something from my summer bucket list because summer is almost over. I want to have ice cream today. I was not having them because of my acne, but I'd probably have today because you know it's summer. I'm gonna have acne anyway. And this is my fit. I'm matching the police car. We might shop too. We have one problem. I had so much coffee today and no food. So I'm hungry. I want to have ice cream. Which doesn't count as a dinner, but I also want to try a new coffee shop. A new coffee shop means coffee to me, but I can't have coffee and I don't want to have dinner. So I also want to shop. If I don't eat out, I have more money to shop. Girl math, you know? What are we gonna do? It's also crowded. I'm in love with this PJ. Also, look at this one. I'm loving stripes way too much this season. I was looking at these bikinis. Like, I want to get a new one, but there was this couple. There was this couple behind me, literally stuck in my, like, on my ASS and not letting me check the bikinis alone. Like, I was going to check and the guy was literally coming after me. So I'm bothered. Not gonna go there. Can we imagine me drinking my morning coffee in this? Too pink, right? Yeah. There's so I thought it's a mug, but it has holes. Ooh. I think this good. This could be. How much is it? A little bit expensive. It's not actually expensive, but I didn't come for house shopping. I came for clothes shopping, you know. I might think about it. I saw these and I immediately sent them to my cousin. She's the only person who would understand. If she was here, we would definitely be shopping. Do you think if it's good for keeping my coffee powder in it, like grounded coffee? I would probably go have something to eat, even ice cream, because I'm getting a headache. Yeah, I'm at that level. It's probably the time I get sponsored because I'm in love with this jacket. But the price is like buy me, but don't eat anything for a whole month. What the fuck? I love bookstores. Guys, I am so sorry. I dragged you with me to this shopping mall, but nothing is exciting. To be honest, I don't even want to have ice cream here because it's too fucking crowded. So, I'm thinking to go home, make smoothie. That could also count as something that I'm eating, and it's like maybe I can get smoothie, but I wrote making a smoothie, so I have to make it. So we can't buy it. Let's go buy ingredients, go home, make the smoothie, and I will take you for ice cream somewhere better, somewhere that I'm in love. And we'll try a new coffee shop later. Oh, Sephora. While we're waiting for the metro, I'm gonna have a story time with you guys. So usually how I make my coffee every morning is that I put everything, I make the espresso, I put the milk, I put the ice, and mix the espresso and caramel thing in, and then I drink it. This morning I was like, I feel like the milk is too much. Let me have a sip so I have extra space for my espresso because it was double shot and I'm used to making it with one shot. And it tasted bitter. And I was like, milk shouldn't taste like that. So I grabbed the bottle and started drinking the milk to see if it tastes weird. Because I mixed two milks. I mixed normal lactose-free milk with the one that baristas use. And I just got the barista milk. It was my second time trying it. Guys, it looked perfect. No smushy thing, no discoloration, no bad smell. But it was fucking rotten. The taste was so bad, so bad. I threw up 5 times. 5 times. It was empty stomach. So, lesson learned. Every time I'm putting anything milky in something, I will try it first. I was about to die. If I would have drank that coffee, I would have died. So, it can be a lesson for you guys to try your milky stuff before you use them. I got stuff for a smoothie. So, I will show you what I've got. I got kefir. They say it's good for your bowel movement. I'm drinking it and I'm just hoping. Avocados. I've got peanut butter. And I've got strawberry jam. I've got banana. I have apple, spinach, flax seeds. I usually also add kiwis to my smoothies, but I couldn't find any kiwis. I haven't made a smoothie for a year now. Last year I was making it every day, but somehow I stopped. I'm gonna add apples, banana, kefir, flax seeds, spinach. Should I add avocado? I don't know. No. No. Guys, you have to try this smoothie. I just remember why I was making it every day. You have to make it. You will love it. The mixture of apple, spinach, and flaxseed. I also added half of banana. You saw. So, I know we went to the shopping mall for nothing, but we have something that we can take off from our summer bucket list. And also, we learned the lesson that if we don't like something, we don't have to shop. And if we don't crave something really, really, really like crave it, we don't have to eat extra shit. And we can have our hot girl walk in the shopping mall all the time. So I'm gonna keep it short. Try the smoothie. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching my videos. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.